man, what's up with y'all boys, man? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. I know. But we about to get back on track. So let me show y'all what we got in store for today. Thought I'd make the video good if I'm gonna come back. So let's see. The car is extremely dirty. Let's see. So, trunk full of stuff. We got connection pipes. We got MSD wires. We have gaskets. And I think fire sleeves. And we got Texas speed catless 178 headers. So yeah. This is, you already know what's about to go down. Just saying. We about to get a startup, but the last time this car would be sounding like this. So let's go ahead. One last startup with everything on there, man. Ooh, it's a big long spider wheel coming this way. See? So it's a little loud. It's a cold start. It's about to quiet down. So this is still the cold start. We got a little bit of E still in there. It's half tank of E, half tank of gas. I mean, of 93. So it's still slightly quiet. It's not quiet. It's like the E make my car a deeper tone, but like 93 make it loud. So yeah, enough talking. So actually, I'm gonna take this time right now to fill y'all in. So actually, what we got going on here is we got the we about to put the headers on. I'm gonna do some sound comparisons to just how loud the headers made the car. I got a video before this. I'm gonna compare it to that video because I don't have a lot of time. So my uncle said I could come. He gonna help me put them on today. So we're gonna go put the headers on the car. We're gonna do the videos, and then tomorrow we're gonna be trying out. I got an axle back coming. I'm not gonna tell y'all what the axle back is. This video is gonna be getting posted. You'll be seeing it today on Monday. I'm recording it at the time, Saturday. So I'm gonna start back posting like twice a week, and yeah, I just wanted to get that out of there before we got to the shop, because it's not gonna be any talking, it's gonna be me showing me putting the headers on the car. So yeah. So what all is this again? What all is it again?
What's that?
Like what all you did to it again?
Ramjet.
Did y'all drive it yet or no?
No, I still got some more work to do. We got to fix the brakes.
Oh yeah, hey, we had a little baby engine there at first. That's all y'all doing to this?
Gotta take it out of the exhaust, put on it, and remember I always had brake problems.
Oh yeah.
And I found out what the brake problem was.
I was just about to say y'all gonna need some bigger brakes. What kind of brakes y'all putting on here?
No, I'm just putting the regular brakes back on. This is just one on the leaking in the back.
Oh, so dang, this one was in here. Oh yeah, little 350. Oh yeah, that needed an upgrade big time. The Corvette's like higher pitch, like.
The Vett's is a higher pitch.
Not higher pitch, like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's like a, I don't know.
Hey, look.
What? Oh yeah. Yeah, see, I like that old deep, but I like the deep rumble. My car not deep. See, that's deep though, like. You about to? What is the straight hitters?
Yeah.
Jeez. I'm sitting here thinking like, I think we better get some nice exhaust.
Like my car was, like Jay's car was.
That's track mode right there.
It sounds good. I'm excited to hear when it's got some mufflers.
That's what I.
What kind of mufflers he doing and stuff?
Low mass.
Yeah, it's real tight up in here. So, we gotta get this side first. Got the spark plugs off. You still don't know how we about to tighten this out, do you?
Well,
You think you gotta have this in the air a little bit more to see everything?
no, I'm gonna take this hose off back here and move them back over this way.
Just so you can get some room in there.
That way.
No, we supposed to be getting rid of this probably next week. Go put the AWE on there, but I don't get why they crushed the exhaust pipe.
Valve cover.
The valve cover.
So everybody in the video was
Give
ready.
me the light. Give me that light.
Oh, the valve
Everybody in the
cover.
video was ready. You gotta take the valve cover out.
It ain't doing it. The hood up, I think. Oh man, I gotta get it. All right, hold on. Let me put my little camera right here. Crazy. I ain't got no videos yet. Probably go make a video tomorrow or something like that. Raspy is crazy, yo. I don't got no pops no more. It's raspy as heck though. Yeah, man. This gonna end the video for y'all. I'm gonna get one more little pull.